Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Arcan professional tools. Arcan did not send us. We bought these with our own money. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way to browse the platform by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. AS2C38 38-piece impact socket set, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. We got made in Taiwan. Cancer according to state of California. So this causes cancer in California, but everywhere else it's fine. This is one of the deals that we ended up getting this for 20 bucks, guys. 20 bucks was a killer deal. If you guys don't want to miss any of those deals, make sure you guys subscribe to hit the like, hit the subscribe to this channel, so you guys won't miss any of those future deals that come up. These deals come up. They could come up in the middle of the day. They could come up in the middle of the night. And I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. We got Arcan professional tools. We got a really nice case, different textures. We got a texture right here and another different texture right there. Let's see, this case does stand up if you stand it up like so. On the other side, pretty much the same texture on this side. Nice carrying handle there, 2 plastic locks. Oh, so we have a lot of oil on this. You guys see all the oil? Yeah, so yeah, so there's a lot of oil, and the purpose for that oil is to keep this lubricated, so when you received it, you didn't receive any oxidation or anything. However, these usually hold up pretty good with oxidation. These black sockets, you know what black is? Black usually refers to impact rated sockets. These are impact rated sockets. A pretty big kit. If you guys look at it closely, it does include bigger sockets. Usually you don't get the bigger sockets, you know, kits like this that include really small sockets and larger sockets. Usually you'll just have to buy like the bigger sockets and, you know, get that kit, or you do have to buy the smaller, and this one's a mixture of both. They do come with 2 different extensions. You got a 1/2 inch 3-inch extension. You got a 3/8 3-inch extension. And then you have a 1/2 inch to a 3/8 adapter. Adapters right here. You got Arcan. Alright, so this is the adapter here. It is marked. It says F 1/2 inch to M 3/8. It says Arcan there. It does have a pin detent in case you want to do that with your impact wrench. And it is indented. So you guys do see very well indented. Just in case you manage to rub that off with use. So you guys do see that you got a nice ball bearing in there. And overall the finish, I gotta say, is pretty decent quality for the price. Like I said, these were on sale at the time that I bought them for 20 bucks. But I believe they're right now they're $39.99. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Let's see here. This extension looks pretty clean, pretty well finished. It says 3-inch Arcan. These are not labeled, indented. Let's look at one of the smaller sockets. 14mm Arcan. It is labeled 14mm indented. A lot of oil on this one. Some of the sizes are included in the bigger size. Some of the sizes are included on the smaller 3/8. So alright, so for 3/8 we do have 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17. For a 1/2 inch we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, and 24. For the 3/8 on the SAE side, we got 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 11/16, 3/4. For the bigger sockets, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 1 inch, 1 1/16, 1 1/8, and 1 1/4. So basically a lot of variety. I really like their setup that they have. An old trusty friend that I've used and abused. Few markings there. It's not the cleanest. I do gotta say that I swear by this thing. This thing is a beast. Alright, so let's take one of these sockets and test out the fitment on these. Perfect, guys. Really do have to say we got a nice fitment on these. So, yep. Let's test out the fitment on a smaller one. We got a 13. Yep, perfect. Perfect fitment on that. Alright, we got a smaller ratchet. It's Team Mechanics, cheap brand. Let's take out the 3/8. Perfect. We got a nice fitment. Not too tight, not too loose. One of the bigger ones here. Perfect. So I do gotta say this kit's pretty nice. Definitely recommend it, guys. I've used kits like this, cheap kits, to test for you guys. If you guys don't know, we do tool testing like this. We put bigger tools against other tools. So these cheaper sockets usually do take a nice beating. These are great for a DIY, weekend warrior. Even if you're a pro, if you want to get yourself a few sets, you know, just to have a spare. This is a really nice set to have. Guys, with that, I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys. Definitely recommend this kit. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.